take note of the increasing presence of genetically modified food in the Nigerian markets. This was highlighted by the Center for Food and Agricultural Research during a symposium on food security in Abuja. Uloma Ohimachi reports.
Genetically modified foods have been around for over 2 decades. It is the insertion of genes from other species into their DNA. Research indicates that many of the GMO crops grown today are to assist farmers in preventing crop and food loss, as well as controlling weeds. However, the Center for Food Safety and Agricultural Research warns that genetically modified foods have been associated with more harm than good.
You now say, let's bring in new seeds that don't belong to us, that are patented, meaning before we use them, we must pay. The day that the person that makes it tells you to jump, and you dare ask how high, you just don't jump. And it says, okay, no seed for you. The rest is best imagined.
In our research in the laboratories in this country, we have found out that most of these chemicals, while they bear certain trade names, certain compositions written on the disc, we have analyzed, and what is inside is different. What is inside is very toxic and injurious to the public health of citizens of this country.
Stakeholders insist that Nigeria possesses the capacity to be self-sufficient in food production and should transition entirely to organic farming practices.
All we want to say is that Nigeria has all it takes to feed our people and even the rest of Africa. And we don't need genetically modified foods. We need to produce using agroecological principles.
These stakeholders also question the methods employed by GMO organizations in Nigeria.
The questions we want Nigerians to ask, and we are also asking today, bodies that are approved, we are asking them, how did you carry out, what tests did you carry out to conclude that these products are safe? We are saying that instead of a wholesale approval in a hurry, the governments and people of Nigeria, especially the legislators, should recall that approval and request for a review.
With crops like maize and tomatoes being genetically modified, farmers are encouraged to embrace natural methods to ensure the health and safety of Nigerians. Uloma Ohimachi, TVC News, Abuja.